What to do if you notice your guest has excessive shedding. I recommend if you notice your guest has excessive shedding, first remove her extensions. Again, we are not physicians. I recommend for her to consult with her doctor if she truly believes there's a medical concern. However, it may also be an application error, so please refer back to your education to ensure you're applying the extensions properly. If we notice the guest's extensions are shedding, let's refer back to our aftercare maintenance tips. Typically, excessive shedding is caused by intense, vigorous brushing. So if your guest is brushing improperly or brushing too hard, this could cause the extensions to shed. This could also cause the hand-tied weft to become unraveled. So please educate your guest properly on brushing her hair at home.